Namaskar, I am Abhishek Kumar, advocate of Allahabad High Court. Nowadays, media is inundated with the clamor of word CBI, which is abbreviation of the Central Bureau of Investigation. Through today's deliberation, I will have a word for eye view over the history and geography of the Central Bureau of Investigation. The CBI traces its history way back in 1943, when the then government of India constituted a special police force to deal with the corruption matter of employees of central government, and the said police force was named as a special police establishment. The said force was constituted by promulgation the ordinance in year 1943, which continued up to year 1946, and in year 1946, when it lapsed, the government realized that retention of the said force is required, so they brought into picture a legislation in the name of Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. By the said enactment, the already existing special police establishment was continued in the name of Delhi Special Police Establishment. The government of India in 1963, particularly Home Ministry thereof, passed the resolution to name the Delhi Special Police Establishment as Central Bureau of Investigation. So, the name of Central Bureau of Investigation was given by an administrative order of the Home Ministry passed in 1963. Section 2 of Delhi Special Police Establishment Act says that the territorial jurisdiction of Delhi Special Police Establishment would continue across the all union territories. Section 2 also speaks that the Delhi Special Police Establishment will have the power to investigate the offences notified under section 3 of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. Under section 3, the numerous offences ranging in numerous enactments have been notified, regarding which the investigation can be undertaken by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Section 5 of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act says that the central government can extend the territorial jurisdiction of Delhi Special Police Establishment on any state, but rider has been given in section 6, where it says that the territorial extension of the Delhi Special Police Establishment regarding any state may go when the state government gives consent in that regard. So, without the consent of the state government, the Delhi Special Police Establishment cannot investigate the matter pertaining to that particular state. Here, the High Court and the Supreme Court have powers to entrust any investigation to Delhi Special Police Establishment, commonly known as a CBI or Central Bureau of Investigation. The said law was declared way back in 1985 by Supreme Court in the case of West Bengal versus Sampath Lal, and the Constitutional Bench of Supreme Court reiterated the said law in 2010 in the case of West Bengal of Committee of Protection of Domestic Rights. The Delhi Special Police Establishment Act of 1946 was amended in 2003 and 2014 as well. In 2003, the provision was made that any investigation which is undertaken by Delhi Special Police Establishment under the Prevention of Corruption Act, that would be supervised by the Central Vigilance Commission, and rest of the investigation would be supervised by the central government of India. In 2014, the amendment was brought whereby the committee was formed in the chairmanship of Prime Minister of India, with the members being the leader of opposition of Lok Sabha, as well as Chief Justice of India or any Supreme Court designated by the Chief Justice of India for selection of Director of Central Bureau of Investigation, which is definitely selected from amongst the officers of the cadre of the Indian Police Services. In 2006, the amendment was also brought by adding section 6A, where it was mandated that in regard to the investigation of the officers of the central government to the rank of Joint Secretary or above under the provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act can only be instigated or undertaken after the sanction of the Government of India. But the said section was challenged before the Supreme Court by Subramaniam Swamy, and in 2014 the Supreme Court has declared the said section, namely section 6A, as ultra virus. Hopefully, my endeavor to simplify the subject must be inching towards the object. Thank you. Stay indoor, stay safe.